Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you'll watch me cook my easy, quick lunch, but you will hear me talk about the gaining mindset. Because if you get that mindset, I promise nothing can keep gaining away from you. Now, you would agree consistency is key, but at the same time, staying consistent has to be one of the biggest challenges, right? Now, when you hear consistency, that doesn't mean 100% consistency 365 days a year, because of course we are not robots. We are real humans living in this world where life throws various challenges at us every single day. Now, consistency here means staying consistent in your journey. Setbacks will happen every now and then, but jumping right back into it as things get better is what a growth mindset is. Now, those of you guys who are rushing to gain certain number of weight in a certain number of time and you want it fast and everything, stop rushing, because the truth is you might end up failing. And hear me why. Our days or life in general is not really in our control. You will fall sick, you will get your periods, and you'll lose your appetite some days, you'll feel bloated some days, you'll get family issues some days. So every single day is not going to be the same. You will be stressing out so much about moving that number on the weighing scale that you might actually end up reversing this whole gaining process. And when you rush and don't achieve that unrealistic goal of yours in that set time of yours, you will end up feeling heartbroken, you will lose faith in the process, and you will actually end up giving up. Versus those who develop the gaining mindset will continue in the journey at their own pace that fits well in their daily routine, won't rush as they understand the reality of life, will appreciate the non-number side of gains like improved eating habits, better energy flow, improved confidence, and so on. And these small achievements will ensure they enjoy and stay in the journey and will accept it as a lifestyle that comes with setbacks, downfalls, testing and trying, failing, learning, and constantly moving forward. So my friends, don't focus on how much you can gain in 4 weeks or 8 weeks. Instead, focus on how much fun and strength you can bring in your life by just adding movement and nourishing your body well. This mental switch will in fact let you gain faster, will keep you happy and satisfied, and you will be able to appreciate yourself a lot more. Acceptance is a gift, so gift it to yourself. Accepting your failure, your wins, your hard work, your lazy days, your growth, your loss, and then keep on moving forward is how you win. So don't get strictly stuck on gaining, and focus more on learning, enjoying, implementing, and growing. I hope I've pumped you guys enough by now, so just start if you've been thinking or doubting yourself, or just restart if you've had a setback, and make your days better for your body, mind, and soul. Also, this recipe is one of my favorite lunch, and I love this juice of mine. I've been having it every single day because of course it's summer here now in Australia, and it is so refreshing, and I love how it makes me and my skin feel. I hope I gave you something to think about and this recipe to cook and enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.